What we'll do basically at BIC is to prepare the young minds that we have for the future challenges ahead of them. We started 3 years ago. So basically our motto is unlocking the mind for optimum performance. So our vision is to open up the mind to know that they can achieve a lot. My name is Babatunde Michael, the Executive Director of Babs and Bats College. Babs and Bats College is trying to help the less privileged in the community, because basically that was the starting point. We actually saw many students want to actually attend tutorial colleges, but the finance is not there. So we actually look at how can we do that.
You didn't know what? Genital system. I mean now? Email.
How can we have a full tutorial college that can give subsidized fee and prepare them for what they want to actually achieve?
Thinking, memory, reasoning, imagination. When you imagine sweet things, like you are thinking that you have gained ambition. Well, we close your eyes, imagine yourself wearing imagination down.
We help them to build their integrity, their confidence. I think in 3 years that we've been in existence, we can say yes, we have actually impacted lives. There are testimonies here. In the next 5 years, basically, we want to see us soaring around. We just want to stay in the niche that we have. We want to have our impact spread. That is the reason why we've taken our impact away from privacy into the university. I was involved in building some young minds there too. This is from the church where I served as a youth president for a number of years. It's more of impact. Everything you see are just recognition of impact.
They can be seen.